Hello, I am Eli G. Brown, Sonic Jr. and Sarah, and welcome to my review on the basic Roundhouse, well, the 90s Roundhouse, the basic shed, the one-engine shed, and the Deluxe Roundhouse. Okay, well first let's go over the basic Roundhouse. This is the original basic Roundhouse, the one that came out in the 90s. Now, it can hold 5 engines in it. And it comes with this track right here that goes 5 different ways. Well, you can use it for other things, like maybe have the track go in like different directions and such. And the shed can hold about tank engines and tender engines, basically. So this shed over here has Percy, Thomas, Toby, and Henrietta is over there too, behind Toby. And we have Duck, and we have Oliver, and Toad's right behind him. I'm going to put these engines back into the shed and then show you the shed from the inside. Let me take the camera off of its stand, because we don't need the stand for this point. So here's the inside of the shed. It's not really anything special here. But it is a shed, and you could maybe actually take all sorts of pictures in the shed if you want to. I might do that at some point. So the tracks go as far as to there. They could have put actual buffers there, but they didn't. And that is the basic Roundhouse. There was an updated version of the Roundhouse, but this is the original version. Next we come on to the one-engine shed. Now I have 2 one-engine sheds, and these are the sheds that I have Donald and Douglas stay in. Now, the one-engine sheds have roofs that are removable. This one is a bit older than this one, though they look about the same age, and this guy is just in between the sheds. Not really anything important there. And each shed has about 3 windows on it, and on each side, and 1 window at the back. I used to, whenever I made train sets, put these sheds together using a 2-way track, which, like that. That's the only one of its type I got, but I probably should get more. So that is the basic one-engine shed. And now finally, we come over to the Deluxe Roundhouse. Now, the Deluxe Roundhouse I got for my birthday back in 2005, and it is a lot more updated than the basic Roundhouse. This is where the bigger engines that I have stay, and they each have this button on top, so when you press it down, the engine will roll out. And it also makes a good sound effect too, like a chugging sound or a whistle sound, or anything else. They also make a noise when you push the engines back. Yeah, you can hear the noises right now. And you can also push this button if you just want to hear the noises, but not actually have an engine come out. Let's listen to a couple of them. That one right there has got to be my favorite. And I was lucky, it played again. The sounds are randomized each time, so you never know exactly which one you're gonna make. So, if you press that button down, or one of the buttons on top of the shed, that noise will come out. The inside of the shed actually has a lot more detail than the basic Roundhouse does. Let me go over there. And here's the inside of the basic Roundhouse. The Deluxe Roundhouse. As you can see, there are a lot more detail, and the engines even have this ramp that they go up onto. I'll just put the camera right there. So something that, so it stays. Each of the ramps also has a tool, like a brush, and, let me see what this is. This is a mallet. This one right here is a wrench. That's an oil can, and another brush. And it is quite interesting how this shed has more detail than the basic Roundhouse does. Well, all the tools are on little strings, so you can't take them out like individually. Though, if you wanted to, you could maybe take a pair of scissors and cut them out so you can use them on other places, but I chose not to. So, those are the basic Roundhouse, the one-engine Roundhouse, and the Deluxe Roundhouse. Now, the Deluxe Roundhouse actually comes with this Roundabout Turntable. This Roundabout Turntable is also compatible with the original Roundhouse. But strangely enough, the Deluxe Roundhouse is not compatible with the this piece right here. I tried it once, it does not fit. For some reason. So you can't really put that together with the Deluxe Roundhouse. The Roundabout Turntable is a very useful thing because it's a lot better than the basic turntable, which doesn't do much of anything. And it also actually connects to the shed. But again, if you wanted to, you could actually have these connect to something else. And that's about it. Those are those 3 engine sheds, so thank you for watching, and if you have the time, please sign the petitions that will appear at the end of the video, because they are really important to me, and may be important to you. So sign those petitions if you want the things that they are petitioning for to come back. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.